Hello there. My name is Nathan, and I want to quickly review some of the steps and tools you will need to install a cedar hot tub. Every owner of a Northern Lights Cedar Tub gets access to our full-length installation video, as well as our detailed assembly manual. And don't worry, our technical support team is just a call away should you have questions. So let's get started. There are 4 steps to assembling your tub. Step 1 is preparing and installing the base. Step 2 is installing the staves. Step 3 is installing the seats. And finally, Step 4 is hooking up the plumbing. First, choose an ideal area. This area needs to be flat, so use pavers or pour concrete and ensure the base is large enough to rest the hot tub on. Access to power and water needs to be considered when choosing the location. Use a large level to check that the base of the tub is even in all directions. Next, refer to the manual for the stave placement locations and locate your starting stave. This is referred to as stave number 1. Now, using a partner, start adding the other staves around the hot tub, one at a time. Ensure the dado on the staves is fitted all the way to the floor base. Continue until you have the last 2 staves left and fit them together using a slight V pattern. Next, with your partner, you will add the 3 stainless steel straps and begin tightening the straps from bottom to top. Now that you have the tub assembled, it is time to install the seats. Follow the seat instructions. Pre-assemble the legs and seats. Now start with the higher step-in seat. When installing the seats, be sure that each screw is countersunk prior to installing the screw to avoid the wood from splitting. Continue with the lower seats until you have gone 360 degrees. The last step is to connect the plumbing. This is done by cutting the supplied pipe to the correct lengths and simply gluing them together. First, start by screwing the jets and suction into the pre-drilled holes. Next, we will connect the fittings at the tub with the supplied PVC piping by cutting and gluing. Finally, we connect the pre-assembled spa pack back to the hot tub. Thanks for watching this quick video. In the last 25 years, we have had over 10,000 customers successfully install their own hot tub. However, if you feel that this project might be over your head or lack the time, no worries mates, we have you covered. All tubs can be ordered pre-assembled from the factory. Cheers!